Alright, hello. Today I'm going to be teaching you how to do the common open, like that. That hurt. I messed that up a bit. So, here's like a slow version of what you want to do. Yep. So, what you're going to do is hold it by the safe handle. Not the thing with the little dangly thing. Never this side. That's the side where the blade will cut you. If you do this rare one. I'm using the trainer knife for now. I need to upgrade to a better one soon. But yeah, so what you're gonna want to do, pinch it with 3 fingers here, ring finger, middle finger, index finger, thumb on this side, pinching. You're gonna want to flip it back, so it's like that, kind of like 180 it, so you're then holding it like that, so like that. And then once you got it like that, flip it back over onto your, like that, and just catch it. So it's just the same for the reverse. That's how you open it, and that's how to close it.